Hello, friends. Welcome to this brand new series about stock market comedy. I'm Aditya from Mostly Bearish. You might be wondering, how can there be comedy in such a serious business where there is money involved? Right? I was wondering the same thing when I came across a lot of advertisements which gave unrealistic expectations. So I thought I'll make a series of videos when I come across such advertisements. I'm not going to be naming who the advertisement is from, but I'll be talking about the concept in the advertisement and showing it to you visually if things like that are possible or not. You can take your calculated decision after watching this video to trust such advertisements or not. Right? And I'm doing this so that you get an understanding that don't fall for something that is shown unless you use logic and logically it is possible or not. Alright? So let's get started with the video. Make sure you subscribe to not miss out on any of the updates from my side. Now the first part of the video is going to be where I talk about the video, how it goes and what are the things that are said in the video. And the second part, I will show you visually that if things like this are possible or not and is it unrealistic expectation. Let's get started. So the first video I actually came across was a client where he specifies his name, talks about where he's from, and he talks about this. He has been making more than 10% of his investment every day. And he's been trading for past 7 months. After that, he thanks his mentor. Let's not talk about the mentor name, mainly because I believe that you should not step down on someone to grow. So now, let's take a look at this compound interest calculator to understand if that is possible or not. Right? Now, if you have come into the market, I'm talking about a minimum. Let's just take minimalistic values. 5,000 rupees might be something you would have come out with. 5,000 is initial investment. That is the principal amount that is started. The rate, that is basically the percentage gain, was over 10%. Let's just take 10%. The months was 7 months. And if we actually do it 100%, you're investing 5,000 rupees, and if you're making such a good deal and you're getting such handsome return, there are chances you might put in 100%, mainly because you're making it so well. Now weekends, let's not include weekends, mainly because Saturday, Sunday markets are off. Not adding any more money, let's take a look at what are the calculations. My friends, I spoke about 5,000 being invested. If you see this number, this actually goes over 978 crore in 7 months. If you actually made this kind of percentage return in 7 months, you would have got a world record. Now let's make things a little simpler, where 100% is not invested back. Some money is taken out mainly because this is a living you're making out of it. If you do that and you invest only 50%, then you're almost making 1 crore. That is a lot of money in 7 months. Even if this feels unrealistic, let's go to 25%. At least 25%. If you're doing so well, you will at least reinvest 25% back. Right? That comes to 8 lakhs. So that is a profit of 8,33,213.19 in 7 months. Invested money 5,000. Now I would really like you guys to think, are such returns possible? When you talk about 10% per day, and I've shown it to you on different level of calculation and what is the valuation which actually comes after the calculations are made. So if you actually take a look at this advertisement, it's a piece of comedy. I don't believe it, mainly because the logic states something else. I hope you guys also don't fall for such advertisement which are always promising such kind of return. Always use logic and your understanding that making money is a serious business in stock market, and making serious money is very tough. Do not fall for such advertisement. It's my humble request. Stay away from such things, mainly because you don't want to put in your hard-earned money somewhere thinking that you're going to make exponentially. But before that, I want to help you with the logic so that you make calculated decisions. Make sure you subscribe to Mostly Bearish for more videos like this and learning content which I've already created. If you want to learn candlestick analysis, I've already left a link in the description below. You can click on that. Every video has a specific candle and how it actually works on chart as well. Make sure you share this video with all your friends and family so that they don't fall for such advertisements and save their money as well. Thank you so much for watching.